Presentation is about fried egg and tomatoes. After I wash the tomato with water, chop the tomato with a knife. Before I add some oil and salt, I put the egg into the bowl. Preheat the pan after I break the egg with a whisk. Pour some oil into the pan. Before I fry the egg into the pan. After I fry the tomato, add the eggs into the pan. Put the eggs and
Presentation is about the step of my dish. Fry a pork chop. After I rinse the pork chop with water, loosen the pork chop on the cutting board. Before I add some salt, pepper, flour, soy sauce into the bowl. Put some oil into the pan before preheat. After slowly fry for 3 minutes and reverse side. Put the pork chop onto a plate. Thank you for your listening.
My introduction is about the step to do our dishes. My dishes is hams and cheese sandwiches. After I wash the hams with water, I pour some oil in the pan. Then I pour the hams to pan to fry. I take the bread go on the pan. Then I put the hams and cheese on the bread. Finally, I cut it in three. This is the end of my introduction. Thank you for your listening.
Presentation is about steps of my dish. Making jelly. Firstly, I pour jelly powder into a big bowl. Secondly, I add hot water and stir until it is completely dissolved. Then I add cold water and stir. After I mix it, I pour the mixture in jelly cups and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. After that, jelly is ready to eat. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening. Bye.
My presentation is about how to making jelly. First, we need to pour the jelly powder into a big bowl. Second, we need to pour some hot water into a bowl with jelly powder. Third, we need to stir jelly powder and the hot water together. Fourth, we need to pour them in a small mold. Fifth, we need to pour them in the fridge and freeze them 5 hours. Finally, after 5 hours, you can eat it.